Premium ultrasound users today demand improved clinical information from each scan and faster and more consistent exams that are easier to perform and allow for a high level of confidence, even for technically difficult patients. Philips EPIQ features a unique imaging architecture for an exceptional level of clinical performance to meet the challenges of today's most demanding practices. Let's explore what makes EPIQ different. EPIQ features proprietary EnSite imaging, an architecture that introduces a totally unique approach to forming ultrasound images. Unlike conventional systems that form the image beam by beam and line by line, EnSite creates images using information from many beams simultaneously. EnSite imaging incorporates a novel multi-stage precision beamformer along with massive parallel processing. This proprietary combination of hardware and software captures an enormous amount of acoustic data from each transmit operation. It then combines and processes digital information across multiple transmits, effectively dynamically focusing on transmit as well as receive to create real-time images with exceptional resolution and uniformity with fewer transmit operations than conventional beamformers. To give you an idea of the extraordinary power of EnSite imaging, let's compare the specifications of a recently introduced ultrasound system claiming they can process the equivalent of 1 DVD per second using a software-based beamforming architecture. EnSite imaging, using our proprietary combination of hardware and software, is able to process the equivalent of 9.8 DVDs per second, which will be required for advanced imaging capabilities now and in the future. Let's explore some of the clinical benefits that EnSite imaging delivers. First, EnSite imaging creates superbly focused images with very high frame rates. Because fewer transmit operations are required to produce an ultrasound image, you can experience both highly detailed ultrasound images and extraordinary temporal resolution at the same time. EnSite imaging achieves superb uniformity when compared to conventional imaging, where the best resolution is limited to the precise placement of a transmit focal zone. Instead, EnSite imaging uses coherent beam reconstruction algorithms that apply transmit and receive focal correction coefficients continually at all depths of the image. EnSite imaging achieves superb penetration even at high frequencies. The combination of ultra-wide dynamic range of the receiver and unique beam reconstruction, which utilizes information from multiple transmit events, reinforces weak tissue signals relative to noise, allowing enhanced penetration at higher frequencies even on difficult patients. Whether performing abdominal, cardiac, small parts, vascular, or OB/GYN, EnSite imaging provides outstanding clinical clarity and a new level of diagnostic confidence across a wide range of ultrasound applications. EnSite imaging also elevates the performance of other Philips innovations, such as our powerful X-matrix array technology for superb 2D and 3D imaging, and our exclusive anatomical intelligence that brings robust, automated 3D cardiac quantification to everyday clinical practice. The Philips EPIQ ultrasound system features our most powerful architecture ever applied to ultrasound, EnSite imaging, touching all aspects of acoustic acquisition and processing, allowing you to truly experience ultrasound's evolution to a more definitive modality.